So okay, our next question is regarding container, which we are definitely going to get in Red Hat EX200 exam. The question will be on node 1 and it should have 4 parts. The first question that you're going to get similar like this, that you have to build an image. Okay, so they will say build an image, right, as user Linda that we are using right now, and they will surely give a link like this. Let me share it with you, the link like this. So the link will be there. They will say build an image, name will be given, name, build an image named, and the image name could be like in this question is web image. This could be the question number 1 that you are going to get in your Red Hat EX200 exam. So when this question comes, building an image, this is the question, building an image named web image in short. When these questions come, there are only 3 steps for this question. Number 1, what you have to do, you have to SSH into a user, you have to SSH into a defined user. User will be there, user will be already there. In our question, the user is Linda, so we have to SSH into it. This is the first thing that we are going to do. Second thing, we'll be needing a container file. The link is there, so what we are going to do, we are going to do wget and paste this link, and we'll definitely get a container file. This is the second thing we are going to do. And the third and the last, we are going to run the command podman build -t name of image -f and container file. This is the command that we are going to run. So our first question will be solved. So let's do it. Let's do first of all, let me assign a password to user Linda, password Linda. In exam, if when you will do SSH, it will not ask for password. Even if it does, the password that they will share with you regarding the node 1 root user password, it will definitely work for this user too. So we have identified the question is this, we have to build an image, link is given, username is given. So we have to do 3 steps. Let's do question step number 1, that is SSH into the user Linda. Okay, let's do it. SSH Linda at localhost. Let's see, password, it's asking for password. Okay, who am I? I'm logged in as user. So first step is done. Let's do, they have given it the link. Let's type in wget and enter this link, press enter, and you see something happened, and we'll do ls, and look, I have got the container file. So the second step is also done. First step, SSH into that user. Second step, wget and the link, and you will get the container file. Look, I have got the container file. And now the last step, command to build an image. That is podman build -t. The name of the image is web image -f and the container file. Press enter, and the image building is start. Okay, cannot be found. Please log into the registry. Okay, it is asking me to podman build podman login registry. It is asking me to log in into the registry, but in exam I'm telling you, it will it will not ask you for login into the registry. Therefore you don't have to worry, you only have to do 3 steps. That's okay. First SSH, second wget, and third you have to run this command. That's it. Because it's my lab environment and it has asked me to log in into the registry. As in your instruction page, they should have shared the registry name, the username, and the password. But you will not be needing it for this question. For building an image question, what you have to do, only three things. Number one, SSH into a user that is given. Number two, wget, paste the link and you will get the container file. Number three, you only run this command and it will work. So because it's a lab environment, that was the reason I was asked to log into the registry. You will not be asked to log into the registry. Okay. So let's wait. It will take some time because of my internet connection. And once it's done, we'll verify it that if our image is ready, and when we'll move forward to the second one. The first question that you're going to get related to container will be building an image, and that is done. Only three things and you're done with the question. As my internet speed is a bit slow, that is why it is taking some time. No need to worry about. Hopefully it will be done shortly and we'll move forward for the second question, and that is running a container. That will be a separate question in your exam. Let's wait. Okay. I hope in a minute or two it will be done and we can verify it, the image is created. Only one string left. Let's wait. And remember, you have to SSH into that user. SU hyphen switching that way into the user will not work because you will not get the full environment. For container question, you will have to do SSH, so you can have a full environment as that user, and only then you will be able to build an image from the command. Hopefully it will be done shortly. Okay. Again, I will repeat, only 3 steps. When you get this question on the exam, on the node 1, only 3 steps, nothing to worry about. Identify the username. That would be a bit different. Identify it, SSH into that user. If you need password, the password would be given in the question, or if it is not given, then the root user password that they have shared you in start of the exam would work for this question. Okay. And first step, SSH. Second step, wget and the link, you'll get a container file like I did. Third step, you'll run the command. You don't need to log in into that registry. Although the registry name, username, and password will be given, but you don't need to do it. I hope I made this clear. Let's wait. It's taking some time because of the network speed that I have right now. But in their environment, it will be done with great speed. It will not take any that time. Okay. Okay, come on. After this, we run the command. What is the command? To check the available images, Spotman images. And when you run this command, you will have this image by the name of web image. And this image will be used when you pull up the next question, running a container. We'll use the same image for running the container. So the first part, you see, log in as Linda user, build a container using the provided container file name resulting in image. So I've shared I've modified this question and I've written in front that the link for this question is already shared, like this one. Yes. The question was like this: build an image as user Linda, and the link is here. Okay, this was the question, and that we followed. Okay, hopefully it will be done. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. So I'm going to stop this. No, okay, it is going. I was thinking to stop it. You only need to do Podman images, and the image will be there. And we can go to the second question after this. Wait, wait, wait. Come on. So okay, I'm going to stop this video. You only need to run Podman images, and the image will be there. And in the second video, we're going to do the second part of this question, that is running a container. So only need to do, you have to wait when the downloading is complete. What you have to do, you have to do you will run a command Podman images, and you will see the image there.